Hello students, today our topic is the last sermon of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The topic is taken from your class 9th book, syntax board book. We are doing word meaning sentences in English, Urdu and Sindhi. This is exercise number 2. Words are given here. We have to find these words in the lesson, the last sermon of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We have to write the meaning of these words and then we have to make one sentence for each word. Number one word है ancestors, meaning a person who was in someone's family in past times. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है आबाओ अजदाद. Number two, migrate, move from one part of something to another. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है हिजरत. Number three, aggressive, showing anger and willingness to attack other people. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है जारहाना. Number four, hypocrites, someone who says that they have particular moral beliefs but behaves in a way that shows that these are not sincere. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है मुनाफिक. Number 5, pagans, relating to a religion that worships many gods, especially on that existed before the main world religion, मतलब काफिर. Number 6, harmony, a situation in which people are peaceful and agree with each other, or when things seem right or suitable for together. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है हम आहंगी. Number 7, prohibited, to officially refuse or allow something. To officially refuse to allow something, ममनू, मना कर देना. Number 8, alliance, a group of countries, political parties or people who have agreed to work together because of sheer interest of aims, मतलब मिल जाना, इत्तेहाद कर लेना. Number 9, unified, involving several people, organization or countries that all work together, सबको मिला देना, मुत्तहिद कर देना. Number 10, consolidated, to join together into one whole, मजबूत, सबको मिलाकर एक कर देना, कोई एक चीज बनाना. Number 11, astray, out of the right way of the correct or the known road, path or route, मतलब गुमराह हो जाना. Beware, this is a stronger warning often used to indicate a specific danger or threat, मतलब खबरदार रहना. Superiority, a fact that one person or thing is better, stronger, etc than other, दूसरे को एक के ऊपर बढ़तरी देना. Pity, a pity devotion to God or to religion practices, मतलब तकवा इख्तियार. Number 15, legitimate, allow करना by law, जायज. Number 16, equitable, treating everyone fairly and the same way, मतलब सबके साथ एक जैसा रवैया रखना, मुनसिफाना. Number 17, meritocracy, a social system, society or organization in which people get success or power because of their abilities, not because of their money or social position. अहलियत की बिना पर कोई चीज देना या हुकूमत देना. Number 8, principle, a basic idea or a rule that explain or control how something happens or works. Usul. Now the words and we have to make the sentences. Number 1, ancestors, Aba Ajdad. There were portraits of his ancestors on the wall of the room. उसके आबा व अजदाद की तस्वीरें उसके कमरे में लगी हैं, वॉल पे लगी हैं. Migrate, मतलब हिजरत करना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना. These animals migrate annually in search of food. ये एनिमल्स जो है खाने की तलाश में हर साल दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. एग्रेसिव, जारहाना, गुस्से में आना. If I criticize him, he get aggressive and start shouting. अगर मैंने उसको क्रिटिसाइज किया तो ये एग्रेसिव हो जाएगा. Hypocrites, मतलब के मुनाफिक. He is a hypocrite. He always lecturing other people on environment, but he drives around in a huge car. मुनाफिक मतलब जो मुंह पर एक बात बोले और पीछे कोई और बात. Pagan, काफिर. A new religion was eager to convert the pagan world. Number 6, harmony. Two friends lived in perfect harmony, never arguing. मतलब किसी से झगड़ा नहीं करना, प्यार मोहब्बत से रहना. Prohibited, smoking is prohibited in the building. Prohibited मतलब मना होना, alliance मतलब ग्रुप बनाना. Two parties decided to form an alliance. Number 9, unified. We have unified system of administration. Unified माने एक जैसा. Consolidated मतलब कुछ एक जगह पे जमा करना, मजबूत कर देना। He consolidated his power by suppressing all opposition. Astray, गुमराह हो जाना. A dog went astray one day and never returned. Number 12, beware, खबरदार रहना. Drivers in city who have not paid their parking fines had better beware. Superiority, एक को दूसरे से ऊंचा समझना. The Australian team soon demonstrated their superiority over the opposition. Pity, Taqwa. She was known for her pity and act of public charity. Number 5. Number 15, legitimate. The police officer made a legitimate traffic stop. लेजिटिमेट मतलब जो सही हो कानून के मुताबिक. नंबर 16, इक्विटेबल मतलब बराबर. ईच पर्सन मस्ट हैव एन इक्विटेबल शेयर. नंबर 17, मेरिटोक्रेसी मतलब कि अहलियत की बिना पर किसी को कोई तरक्की देना. He believes in the society built on meritocracy where hard work and talent are rewarded. Principle मतलब उसूल. A basic principle of our game is to be fair.